Hi guys, so to achieve this, I basically use any good deep conditioning or any good leave-in conditioner. I add my shea butter oil and I also add coconut oil, and then sometimes I add warm water. So the essence is to ensure that the hair gets richly nourished with the treatment and then sealed for as long as possible, just like you're going to steam it and then take it off to enjoy it. So what I do is I partition the hair into medium to small portions so that I can easily spray the treatment into the scalp and all around the strand of every hair, just to make sure everything get richly distributed. So what I'm doing now is I'm spraying the hair generally. So I'm spraying every part of the hair, and then eventually I will start from the root to the top, and then from the top go down to the root again to make sure that everywhere gets the treatment, or like call it a nourishment. And then while I do that, I actually massage. I massage the scalp. I massage the hair. The essence is to make sure like I get that salon feel, that professional feel, even if I'm at home, and also to ensure that I stimulate my scalp, of course, to keep it healthier and to open up the pores. One thing is important. It's advisable to do the deep conditioning when the hair and the scalp is clean. Yes, because it just helps you maintain it for a longer time, and then it also helps the hair and scalp to actually get the nourishment. So dirt and dust is not competing, or other treatments are not competing with the scalp. So basically, yeah, so I've really like sprayed it now, and I've tried to make sure that every strand has gotten. But while I'm doing that, I try to feel the texture of the hair. If it doesn't feel soft, if it doesn't feel um light, I have to spray it properly to make sure I massage it in, because sometimes it's easy to forget some part of the hair. I remember to do the edges, the back and the front. And then another thing is it's important to try to feel the root as well. So just as you go along, you feel the roots, you feel the strand, you feel the edges. If it makes a funny sound, like a dry, squeaky sound, you have to still spray it. I'm actually using my hand to protect the hair from the treatment from spreading or spraying around, because I mean I'm not sure my sense of precision is so apt, but I mean if you can be so precise with your spraying, why not? So I'm done now, and I'm just trying to like make sure I massage generally and feel everywhere to be sure that it's richly treated and it's gotten the nourishment basically. So once I do that, I'm gonna pack it. If your hair is not so long, you don't need to pack it. You can just roll it and cover it up. But then I'm doing this just for me to be comfortable, because when I pack it and seal it, I'm still going to go around doing my chores. You don't want it to be. You don't want the hair or the yeah the treatment to disturb you. So basically I'm just going to pack it now, and once I pack it, I'll seal it with a shower cap. But the best for this job is a steaming cap. If you have one at home, you can do it, you can use it. But if you don't have, go ahead and use your shower cap, and then you can also use your towel, and then possibly your satin bonnet to seal everything together, or anyhow you want to. You can use a cap, a pashmina or a scarf, or a satin scarf to just tie everything in. I'm just going to use my shower cap, and I'm going to also use towel around it, and that would do it. This takes about 4 to 5 hours to be very effective. So if you're going out, you can do this and tie your hair. But if you're staying at home to do your chores, you can also do this and tie your hair and just go about your chores. The minimum you can let this stay is 2 hours so that it can be very effective. what happens is when you do this, it locks up the treatment, and even when you pour water during the day or during the week and other times when you have a need to actually pour water on your hair, because the treatment has locked in and everywhere everything is absorbed in your hair and in your scalp, it's not going to it's not going to affect the treatment on your hair. So I do this and it works beautifully. So I just thought I should share it, and you guys can tap from one of my little secrets. Yeah, so once you do this, you massage the edges properly. You just cover it up and seal it. Once I do that, I just go around, do my chores or whatever I want to do, and hours later, when I'm convinced or when I feel like it has really, really gone in, I come back and take the cap off, take my towel off, and already, because I've already bonded the hair and I've tied it and neatly put it, I don't need to style it or do anything to it. I can go around like this. But as you can see, my edges feel fresh and revitalized. The hair feels good, well texturized and moistured. Like the split ends have locked up. They've just really like had a swell time with the treatment, and so this is just a very good way to nourish your hair. I hope you learned something from this video, and remember to subscribe, give it a thumbs up and share. Thank you for watching.